Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we got the Craftsman brushless router right there. The new V20 tool only. No bits, of course. Why would they include a bit? But we are going to unbox it and check it out. All right, let's crack this puppy open. Nothing in here. This thing. Your guide. Dust guard. Wrench. And the unit itself. What else? All right. We put the battery. We attach your bits. Adjustment right here. Power switch. Okay. Let's see. The box says it weighs 2.6 pounds. Let's see about that. 2.7. Okay. Almost exact. Let's check out some features. See how they work. That looks like a lock. Yep, lock. Turn it that way. That will adjust your depth. It seems like the lock for when you attach a bit. That's it. Isn't it? Yep, because then it has an E-clip right in there to stop it from going any further. There you go. Let's get the bits out. These are the bits I used for the Cobalt router cable. There we go. Alright. Get your basic corner round right here. Let's open that up. There we go. Goes in. Tighten it there. Let's take that completely off to attach a bit. There we go. It doesn't fly off on us. That'd be nice. Goes over that. Okay. I see. To adjust it even quicker than just turning it, just push down on that. There you go. and that for more precise adjustment. There, just there, you can get about right there. If you need more precise adjustment, you go there. And to log it down, lock it down, go like so. Okay. I'm going to use a 2 amp hour battery in this thing, because maybe a 4 or larger will be unwieldy. 2 amp hour battery. There. Let's hear what it sounds like. Not bad. Not too bad. Now, let me see this guide. This guide will go in there. The guide attaches to the back. These 2 screws will go in there to hold it on. But we're going to freehand it. Okay, we are bolted down. Let's see how this thing does. Like that, the motor just stops. Okay. Nice smooth area. I'll go ahead and do the end here. So you can see what it'll look like at that side. There we go. I could have done smoother, but I'm just testing it out right now. Does exactly what it's supposed to do. There we go. Alright, that is the Craftsman V20 brushless router. Right there in the RP family. So, does what it's supposed to do. I mean, it's a router. Nothing else you really want from it, other than it to do its job. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.